Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a points-based gradebook. To begin creating your gradebook, you will want to be in the Manage Grades screen. From here, you can easily view the outline of your gradebook. When creating your points-based gradebook, it's best practice to first begin creating categories. These categories will be organization for your gradebook. Under each category, grade items can be organized. To create a category, click the New button and select Category. From here, give your category a name. For this example, my first category will be Quizzes. Scrolling down, I'll find different options available for this category. Under Grading, I can choose for this category to Can Exceed or to be excluded from the final grade calculation. A quick hint, anytime you see this gray icon with the question mark, you can click to find helpful hints. This can help you decide if this option will be a good fit for your category. Distribution is another grading option that you have. By clicking Distribute Points across all items, any item created in this category can automatically be assigned a point value of your choosing. For this example, I know that all of my quizzes will be worth the same point value, so I can set that here. By enabling the distribution option, I can then choose to have the lowest or highest score dropped from this category. If you know that items in this category will all have different point values, then you do not want to use the distribution option and will want to uncheck this box. When you're happy with your settings, you can either click Save and Close to go back to the Manage Grade screen, or Save and New to be prompted to create a new category. Because I want to create another category, I will click Save and New. Again, I'll name my category and choose my grading options. Because I know my assignments will all be worth different point values, I am not going to choose the Distribute option for this category. I'll click Save and Close when I'm done creating my categories. From here, now you can see my Quizzes category and my Assignments category. Please keep in mind that you can't grade a category. You must create grade items to grade. To create a grade item, click the New button and select Item. You will be prompted to choose what type of grade item you wish to use. The most commonly used type is numeric. Similar to creating a category, you'll want to name your new grade item. It is very important now that you decide which category this item belongs to. From this drop-down menu, I can choose which category I would like for this item to appear under. Because this is Quiz 1, it will be under the Quizzes category. Because I chose the Quizzes category, and I had set the Quizzes category to have evenly distributed points, you'll notice that I can't change this point value. It has already been entered in for me. However, I can't choose from these settings. If you would like this item to be completely bonus or extra credit, you would choose this option. I will also leave the grade scheme to be default. If you have created your own grade scheme, you'll want to choose your customized grade scheme from this drop-down menu. Once I'm happy with this item, I will click Save and Close to return to the Manage Grade screen, or Save and New to create another grade item. Again, I'll choose what type of grade item I'd like to create and name my grade item. Again, be sure to choose what category this item belongs to. Back on the Manage Grade screen, you can see my gradebook beginning to fill out. I have the Quizzes category, now with 2 quiz items worth 100 points. For this example, I'd like to build one more item. I'll click New and Item. Again, this will be a numeric item. I'll name the item, and this item will go under the Assignments category. Because I did not choose the Distribute option for this category, I can now change the point value of this assignment. Now that I'm happy with the settings for this item, I'll click Save and Close. If at any time you would like to edit the categories or items, use the drop-down arrow at the end of the name and select Edit Grade Item. This will take you back to the editing screen. From here you can make your changes and save them. More options for your gradebook can be found under More Actions. Here you can delete, reorder, and see the event log of your gradebook. When it comes time to entering grades into your point-based gradebook, you have two options. The first option is to enter grades from the Manage Grades screen. If I'd like to enter scores for Quiz 1, I'll click the drop-down next to Quiz 1 and select Enter Grades. Here I'll see the names of my students and a grade box that I can enter their scores. Click Save to save these scores, and click Save and Close to finish. The second option is to enter grades from the Enter Grades screen. If I'm viewing this screen in Spreadsheet view, I can enter the scores directly into the spreadsheet. If I'm viewing the Enter Grades screen from the Standard view, again, I will want to click the drop-down arrow next to the item I wish to grade and select Grade All. From here, again, I'll enter the student's scores and save and close to finish. That concludes this tutorial for Points-Based Gradebook.